Did you know that in Kyrgyzstan the number of relict endemic plants and wildlife species is annually declining? This leads to human life quality deterioration. To end this process, Kyrgyzstan joined forces with the United Nations and became a party to the Convention on Biological Diversity in order to preserve wildlife, plant, and implement sustainable resources use. Within the framework of the Convention, the government is expanding Protected Natural Areas Network as a basis for natural ecosystems conservation and species biodiversity reproduction. Snow leopard and other endangered species preservation initiatives implementation. Support projects to promote environmentally friendly economic activities of local communities with the active women participation in planning processes. Kyrgyzstan will conserve unique biodiversity and improve population living standards by applying the obligations of the Convention. Only united efforts will conserve Kyrgyzstan's natural resources for our children. Save me, your Earth.